The Hideaway Sensor button is as quick and easy to install as a standard flush button. We'll show you how. Before you start, there are two things you should know. First, you'll need both a licensed plumber and a licensed electrician to install a Hideaway Plus sensor button. And secondly, you'll need both the sensor button and cistern at rough-in. Let's look at what's in the box. Sensor button and frame, flexible conduit, transformer power supply, access box and cover, connectors and fixing rods. Make sure the cistern is installed at a height of 1000mm from the finished floor to the centre of where the button will go. Remove the cap from the top of the cistern and cut out the centre. Push the cap back into the cistern and push flexible conduit through and secure it with the U-clip that's in the box. Run the flexible conduit to the transformer location. Feed the transformer cable from the access box into the cistern, making sure there's about 350mm of length in the cistern. That's everything behind the wall. Click the protective faceplate on and we can move on to plastering, waterproofing and tiling. Make sure the remaining parts required for fit-off stage are stored safely. The connections to the transformer can now be made by a licensed electrician. Pop the faceplate off and using a utility knife, trim and bend back the edges of the mounting box so it's flush with the finished wall surface. The flexible hose can be disconnected from the inlet valve to flush the water line and remove any debris. Once clear, refit the hose, turn on the water supply and check the water level. Take the blue and white pneumatic hoses from inside the cistern and push them into the corresponding holes. Feed the transformer cable through the front and place the button frame onto the mounting plate, using the cistern spaces provided to secure it. You may need to adjust the cistern spaces to suit the depth of the wall lining. If necessary, shorten these by cutting them to the needed length. Attach the cables to the correct coloured socket. You'll need to remove the socket caps to do this. Clip the black glass faceplate against the bracket. Give it a flush to check it's working, and you're done. Simple and seamless.